working on installing the 3.5 inch drive, I've decided that I'm going to go with the 3 drive bay slot since I've only got one 3.5 inch hard drive, and if I ever want to do SLI then I'll just have enough room to get the second graphics card in here without having to change this. So I've screwed that in, which is secure enough because it ain't going nowhere, is it? So we've got our hard drive dampeners and 3.5 inch screws. So we're putting the hard drive dampeners, slot them in there, push them into here, yeah, and then we'll just screw it in, and just bear in mind that's the screw that we require in order for that part to get past the hard drive dampener. Once the hard drive secured, we can just slot it into the bay. And it'll just click in. For the 2.5 inch drive, I like this little thing. Basically, it's a little panel which screws off, comes off, and then you just attach it, screw it on there, and we'll pop it back on. So we'll see how that goes. So there we go. SSD gets screwed onto the front of the plate. I'll use 2 screws because it's not going anywhere. And then we'll just slot it in there. Tighten it up. Nice and neat. No need for that extender I bought, that 2.25 3 inch. But it'll come in use if we ever get a third SSD ever. Never. Alright. I'm going to take the bold step of installing the graphics card at this point. So we've got this little clip here which needs to be pushed down, and we've took 2 of these off because that is how much space the graphics card is going to take up. And you'll see the next one where it is fitted, but take note, we have a notch here which you must line up to there, and getting it behind here on, because you'll see this on the end of the graphics card, yeah, same sort of fascia. Try not to get too much glare going on there. Yeah, so that just needs to make sure when you're pushing the graphics card in, it gets behind there, while also ensuring we are lined up with that. So take care, because your graphics card could be well over the limit, the cost of your entire build. In my case, it's the cost of half the build. So I'm gonna not risk trying to install it with one hand because it's fiddly enough with 2 hands, and coming up you shall hopefully, fingers crossed, touch wood, we will have the graphics card slotted in there. I've hooked up my SATA cables. I've put them behind there. So we've got the 3 SATA cables, one for this, the other one for the SSD, and then when I put in the DVD drive up there, so that's where this cable's going up there. And just keep cables tidy as best as I can. So I've got cable going to hard drive, and the other one to the SSD going through there and in there.